garage. So came back with the pickup truck. It's really cold outside here today. It really feels cold. I had to take some tires out of my back of the truck, and there was some snow on it, you know, so I didn't have any gloves or anything, and I can tell you it was really cold. So temperature, it's bullshit, man. It's probably -10 or something. The wind -9. So well, that's tomorrow. No, we're Wednesday right now. Yeah. So yeah, -10 approximately. Yeah, feels really cold. Anyway, so in programming now, we have issues. So we have issues when, and it's not normal to me, that we're actually using, you know, the weight everywhere. So there's something that I'm doing wrong again. We're using a weight. We're using a weight. We're also delaying. So should I delay inside of the task? Inside of the loop, I mean. I'm gonna try, but you know, whatever. And here we're gonna not delay anything, but here we are. So in the bottom functions, we also will, not this one because it's the same thing. So we're gonna delay here. Okay. That's delay, and when we're creating the instances, we're gonna delay. Okay. Right here, and we're gonna delay here. So let's see if this is actually helping. But I don't really understand the reason as to why it's not working. Because here it's the, well, I've put the delay there in this one, but it's the problem is arriving actually in here when we're creating the map. You know, and not creating them, accessing the maps and using that in order to so it's probably gonna crash and stuff. When we're accessing the map in order to create the arrays of vertices, or the maps of vertices. So, wow. That is really slow here. So, the task delay here is really slow. Yeah, so what was happening here? So what we're gonna do is just write the console and message here of there you go. We've got a problem with the map. I don't understand why it's doing this. It seems that looping per frame is actually helping the entire thing. Otherwise, we're losing data. You know, like stream write to file in loop issue C#. Okay, stream. I'm trying to write in a loop where you want to split it. The issue is in the first loop where the file has not been written. You need to flush after write line calls for writing a file like flush or auto flush. Okay, so we're gonna write auto flush. And hopefully that's actually going to work. So we're actually going to remove the task delays. Okay, and remove them here too. Okay, so that we can only use flush. And here I'm using the 3D loop, right? Yes. Okay, so 3D loop. And here we're inside of a using statement, so I don't know what the hell. So we're gonna flush here, we're gonna flush here. Do we have a flush async? We have a flush async. So we're gonna do a wait flush async. Like this, and then the fs await fs dot flush async, and we're gonna go at the bottom there when we're writing the last thing, and we are going to do the same thing. Do we have an await close async? No. So we're not gonna do a close in here. And we're trying the same thing. So it's pointless to use so many threads like I am using them right now, because the shader compiler is taking such a longer time. We're still having issues. Okay, so we can't. This is not working. The fucking bullshit, man. There's something that's going on, man, and I don't understand what the hell it is. Let me just verify this here. Well, no. I wanted to keep this opened. But isn't it writing the file completely? Everything is written to file. That's what I don't really get. Unless the files are written wrong. One moment. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. So the map is null. It created the eighth of the chunks. Let's verify the maps. We're starting with it's writing the same goddamn chunk. The same goddamn chunk everywhere. Oh, okay. What in the stupid hell is this? So, oops. What is going on? What is going on? XI in here. Main X and has in it. I'm using the S6 here. What the hell is going on? Let me not write anything here. We're not going to write the last root thing. Is it the flush async? What is it? What is the issue here? No, maybe it's the same problem as yesterday. If I fix this, I'm happy. I'm going to turn off my mic here. Thanks for watching. problems was happening yesterday when I was trying my revision 33. This is back. I was back to revision 32 there because I was like, what the hell? Where's the problem? But didn't even check. I guess it was getting real late there. And what is going on? So we're not flushing. We're not gonna flush yet. We're gonna try to figure out where the hell the problem is coming from. So here, I'm checking the goddamn path. Pause main XYZ. Here, what's the gimmick? Let me just write down this here. Well, I could actually just do like console.writeLine element start, element name start, write processing instructions, element name start, yeah, and element name start here. What the hell? The path, file, the path, and the path is here. Yeah. That's so weird, man. Let's try again. And this time we're debugging. Let me just, I'm tired of this. Max thread, max number of threads. And we're just gonna do a 2 here, okay? I'm tired of this compiler a long time, man. But it's, what is going on? It's debugging the same values. It's that, what? Chunk pause. I'm not setting the chunk pause. Chunk pause equal to chunk pause x, y, z. What in the stupid hell am I doing here? That's wrong. What? But what? Chunk pause. Chunk pause is here. I'm writing the chunk pause of here. That's bad. How is it even working in the first place? The fuck is this? It's new chunk pause that I need to write, or array of chords. So let's write a new int here, or yeah, no. Well, yeah, no, that's. Give me a second. New chunk pause is a float. Chunk pause is the value of location. Chunk SX. Oh, you noob. So X, alright, and Y and Z here. Oops. Let's try again. No wonder. No freaking wonder. There you go. There you go. Oh my god, it works. So it works in a 3D loop. Perfect. So, oh wow, so that was the issue. Do a flush async maybe later. So what we're gonna do is immediately try a bigger level. Let's say 8 and 40 40 40 40 here, and we're gonna see what's happening. Also, if we've got a better performance here, but I don't have the driver installed, so that's the Windows driver. So, but it runs well, so whatever. Oops. So we're gonna cancel this debug there. Very happy to have found the issue here. Oops. So that's where I was in my revision 33 there. Couldn't find the issue yesterday. I'm gonna turn off my mic. Thanks for watching. What's going on with the performance, really? I have no clue what's going on. No clue, because we're not supposed to get 45 FPS with such a tiny level and such a low number of faces. So yeah, we have to investigate. So we're just gonna open this temporarily here and see thread sleep. We're at 0. We're gonna put 1. We're gonna put that to true here, and we're gonna do the same thing in here. So thread sleep 1 true. Put this to false. We've got a thread here that's working for no reasons. I know it's not working for no reasons. This is inside of the DirectX OVR, and we've got the OVR old that we're using. So we're gonna see the thread sleep out of that one. Thread sleep 1. So loading and the saving of the file is so much faster here, right? Really fast instead of loop, but we've got issues. What? Where am I here? What? So here wow. What did I do exactly? I put thread sleep to 1. What's the gimmick, man? The thread sleep with the main thread was false. Background was false here. It doesn't allow that? Okay, so see, so many things that I don't understand in C# yet, or that I don't know. So, oh, it doesn't appreciate that it was like this. So we're gonna put background false here too. Okay, let me see the FPS here. We're at least putting thread sleep 1, so whatever. Really though. Really. Nope, I feel lag. And we see the lag also. 45 FPS. There's nothing inside of the. Why do I get 45 FPS? And look, when I'm moving, not even moving, we see some weird things happening there. Why do I get 45 FPS? So we're gonna put 8 threads here. Again, take a longer loading time, but whatever. I'm not too sure here that I understand. Why? Why would it do this? Because why would it do this? And we're gonna remove the async, you know, and all this stuff. Probably I'm gonna do a backup of this though. I'm gonna test it before though. I'm gonna test a bigger level, like 120 or something. Check the FPS from there. Already written to file. It's pretty cool. We're already at 30 seconds, so. So yeah, I don't really know. It feels so small for a level. Why would it be lagging? Is it the driver or something? Why is it lagging? It's the same thing always. 45 FPS. As if I can't really get a 90 FPS here anymore. It's super small. It's a super small level. Oops. What would be causing this issue? Is it the dot product that I'm checking? I'm not even checking it here anymore. I set the biplane also that I'm checking within. No, I'm checking it outside. So all this is within a thread. Don't really quite understand here. Seems I have worse performance. Worse performance out of that. Do I need to do the setup pipeline more than once? We're just gonna activate it once. Okay. No. No, we're nullifying things, so maybe it's not a good idea. Well, we're gonna try later. I'm doing this parallel thing. I didn't change a single amount of things in here. It's removing things. Oh, stop creation. I know, I'm putting it to 1. Yeah, so whatever. Stop creation is equal to 2, but I'm setting stop creation to 2 here. Is equal to 2. I'm putting that right there. I'm not even doing a single goddamn thing here. Let's just remove the update function. Okay. We don't need to update anything anymore. I think we do. Yeah, we do. We do, because we're calling update. Nope, we don't need to. I'm just gonna turn that off. Is it because I have more layers to my jagged array or something? See, I've got no faces. I don't even have any other faces in the top, and I'm lagging more. Fuck is this? Amount of jaw calls? It's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be. It's a tiny level. Tiny level. We're not supposed to lag in chunked box unstancing. And I've got had 60 FPS here, but we were not in VR. No, in VR. So it's been a while that I had tested that, I think, right? Wasn't it a while? I think it was a while that I had tested some. still laggy in here. How can I not have like 90 FPS with tiny level? Doesn't make a lot of sense here. Something is going on. I'm gonna try to actually install my other driver, so my earlier driver, 11.1, no, November 22nd. This one was working quite fine actually. So I'm gonna have to turn off my stream. Thanks